when you're coming on board and investing with Simple Vending to launch and start or grow and scale your vending machine business, this is what you're actually investing. Now, firstly, we have a very personalized way of coaching. So I will directly coach you on a one-to-one session over Zoom every single week. You can come in and ask me about your mental sort of business side. You can ask me anything, of course, vending machine related. You can ask me anything business related. I've had mentees come on these calls and essentially we've done role plays before they've gone in and pitched. There is a bunch of things that we do on these calls. They are also structured. We have things and I have things that I want to get across to you. You need to know when you're going in, pitching, and actually at that stage of starting and growing your business. Now, of course, you'll be learning directly from me. There isn't another member of staff or anyone else that you'll be learning from, or it won't be James who's been sort of messaging you maybe in the DMs. It is directly from myself. Of course, you're going to have video modules. You've got a bunch of these. You already know what this looks like. Video modules from anywhere between sort of insurances, anything that you may need of how to place a vending machine, what you need to buy a vending machine, loads and loads of video modules in there for you, and these are all broken down below also. Now, you will also get a one-to-one strategy session with me because it is very important to plan how you're actually going to achieve your goals, and this is what we're here to help you plan and achieve, and of course secure prime locations, which is step number 2. Now, when actually acquiring prime locations, of course, you need scripts which we provide you so you're not nervous and you're confident. And you need to know how to approach vending machine businesses and managers. You need to know how to approach businesses and property managers. You'll be using the same scripts that I've used, and these are the scripts that I still use till this day. Additionally, you get ongoing support in scouting and evaluating. What does that even mean, Ero? So this means that if you come to me and you say, look, Ero, I've got 5 locations and I'm based in Northwest London, okay? Out of these 5, which one should I actually go and pursue as my first location? Now, based on my experience, the metrics that I ask for, a few other variables, I will say, look, this location is the best, this location is the worst, and this one's okay, but you need to go for this one. So you also get that, and we cut the guessing work out. Now, step 3 is guidance in acquiring vending machines. If you've gotten all the way up to here, you know, and you've probably had a look at different vending machines before, and these vending machines, they come in all sort of different sizes, prices, some have cash card, whatever else it may be. In terms of what we actually do, of course we help you get the right vending machine, because you can have a great location, but if you don't have the right vending machine, you simply are not going to be able to vend the right products. So once you have the right vending machine, we'll then assist you with actually getting the right products. We have a list that is mandatory. I promise you everyone's going to be eating these. And also we have an app on the back end that allows you to check everything in terms of your weekly sales, your monthly sales, any sort of analytics and reporting in terms of your best seller, your worst seller. This is really efficient, especially once you grow a few machines, because a random example, if you only need 5 Lucozades, you don't need to be lugging about 30 packs, or you don't need to be lugging about 30 different sort of cans of Lucozades when you only know that you need orange and lemon and you only need 3 of them, right? So this is a really efficient app that we also offer. Now, the last step that we actually help you and guide you on, and I'm sorry that you can't see the title, but is setting up your online presence. Now, in terms of what we do, I'm not saying go and do Instagram and sort of TikTok like there's on this page here, but we help and assist you with actually gaining a professional website, because at the end of the day, you're a business and you're going to be speaking to other businesses, so you have to come across professionally. And there's a few other things that we sort of have up our sleeve that we help you implement within your business that just allows you to stand out from the crowd. Now, if you have any questions or you have anything else in doubt that you want to get across, or you want to sort of speak to me before you invest, then reach out through Instagram or message me on TikTok, and we can set up a call where we can go through any of your questions and you can ask me directly and I will reply on a quick sort of Zoom call, maybe 30 minutes, and I will get across everything, and then we can get you onboarded and of course to the next steps. Of course there's bonuses, we all love bonuses, right? So like I said, we have scripts, we have templates, and we have contracts. These are all ready to go, so all you have to do is remove my name and my logo and you are fine. Honestly, there is nothing that we don't offer here. We will literally hold your hand throughout this whole process, because it's understandably hard to obviously build a business, right? Essentially, you're going to have access to myself on one-to-one calls. You're going to have a lot of information through all the video modules and all the stuff that we upload on there, that we refresh and update every single month. You also have a community of like-minded people, like obviously myself, in there as well, that you can speak to and ask questions from. But there is loads of different people at different stages of their sort of vending machine journey. There's people that have 12 plus locations, there's people that have 3 to 5 locations, people that are really just starting out, that might be in your position right this second, that have no locations. It's nice to network and connect with all these different individuals. And a little thing that's not even included on here, I am running monthly webinars on different updates within the group. And the one that we have going on this month is all about smart vending machines. So I would not want to miss this, because this is honestly revolutionary and this is something exclusive to Simple Vending. I promise you no one else offers anything like this. Of course, we have a vending machine supplier as well. So if you need your vending machines, you already know where you have to go, and they're all warranted out. Depending on which one you choose, 1 to 2 years. So if anything goes wrong, beep, 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 engineer comes out and obviously fixes everything for you. And we have a bunch more. Now, the last thing I want to add, so you know exactly what you're getting and there isn't any sort of room for error or worries, is you also get access to my phone number. Now, this doesn't mean call me 24/7. This doesn't mean that I'm not human and I don't sleep. But if you have any questions, any worries, you don't have to wait a whole week before you can ask me, right? You can send me a message, and normal working hours I will reply. Even in the evenings, I'm always on my phone. So you can just drop me a message and have access to me 24. Go ahead and invest. You'll get a contract from myself, from my team. You'll then get an onboarding form so you can set up your strategy call. We would then do on your first call a little bit of error analysis together, so you understand what you need to start looking out for. Well, then obviously you're going to find your location, you're going to purchase your vending machine, you're going to place your vending machine, and then you're going to start earning from day one. Obviously, we're going to be there every single step of the way, helping you actually achieve what you want, which is a semi-passive business that is going to be generating you some extra money. Now, if you're ready to invest, then just go below, obviously purchase and go through the steps, and then I will actually personally reach out to you and of course get you onboarded and started. I can't wait to see loads of you guys taking the next step and starting your vending machine journey with me. I'll catch you guys later.